the magical midnight countdown. 10, 9, 8, the grown-ups chanted. A little girl named Lily watched, her eyes wide with wonder. "What's a new year?" she whispered to her older brother Leo. Leo smiled. "It's when the year changes, like turning a page in a big storybook. Tonight, we say goodbye to the old year and hello to a new one." Lily thought about all the days of the year. "Who decided to change the year?" she asked. Leo shrugged. "Someone a very, very long time ago. It's a tradition." "The best part of New Year's is the fireworks," Leo exclaimed. "They paint the whole sky with colors." Lily imagined the sky filled with sparkling lights. "What colors?" she asked. "Pink, blue, purple, yellow, green, red, and even sparkly silver and gold," Leo described. "And they make so much noise," Leo added. "They go bang and whoosh and squeal." He made funny sounds, and Lily giggled. Lily looked out the window at the dark night. "It's so dark," she said. "That's what makes the fireworks so bright," Leo explained. "They light up everything." "Sometimes," Leo whispered, "it looks like the fireworks are falling right on top of you." Lily gasped, a mix of excitement and a little bit of fear in her eyes. 3, 2, 1, the grown-ups shouted. "Happy New Year!" At that moment, the first firework burst in the sky, a shower of golden sparks. The sky filled with a rainbow of colors. Lily and Leo watched, mesmerized. "Happy New Year, Leo!" Lily shouted over the joyful noise. "Happy New Year, Lily!" he replied, giving her a hug.